Hello and welcome back once again to your favorite channel for another video. Today we will be drawing Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. Okay, so let's start drawing with an outline. This is all that I am drawing using a pencil. The other things I am going to draw with a pen. You can complete it using a pencil if you want. Otherwise, you can straight away start drawing with a pen. Now let's complete the body. Now the legs. This is a very straightforward kind of a picture. There is no complication, no much of a curves or bends. So it won't be a problem drawing this. Now let's complete the face. Start with the nose, the eyes, mouth, and the eyebrows. Okay, so that's done. Now let's erase all the pencil lines. I'm using two shades of pink actually. One is I will be using one of the shades for the snout of the nose and the ears. Okay, that is done. And now for the dress. The body, I'm using the other pink. Okay, so those of you who have this particular color and fresh color, you can color it, otherwise you can just leave it. White is equally good, but since I have this color, I am coloring this area also. And the face. So today's video is done. I hope you like this video. Please do draw, keep drawing.